Hi y'all. This is Senior 500 Restoration Series, Episode 12, Update Cam Stack Installation Procedure. And the reason I want to do that is I got an inquiry, a question from a troll yesterday, and it was a good question. And you know, the adjuster's manual is always a great safe place when a troll is attempting to catch you in error. And I've been caught in error a number of times, and I don't mind being wrong. You know, I have slipped up before, and I can guarantee you that I will slip up again. But you know what? When I slip up, I fix them. And now that I have my few adjusters manuals, when it comes to dealing with trolls, as in this case, they can be an attribute, a positive asset, in that in order to answer the troll, my answer is going to have to be specifically correct because that's what he's looking to trip me up on. Having said that, the question was how to correctly install or remove the stitch selector cam stack, which we see in front of us. And so what I have in front of me, the machine I'm using for the sake of this example is the 431G. And the reason I'm doing it is because my 500 doesn't have the followers and the stitch selector arm shaft in there to do it there. So the first thing that you want to do when removing or installing the stitch selector cam stack is make sure that this stitch selector indicator is on the A and that one is on the K, and then this one doesn't have the stitch selector there, but that would have to be on number 3. So it has to be AK3. So that's the first thing. The other thing is, let's go back down here to the cam stack, and I'll try and get real close to it to show you what I'm wanting to talk about here. And I don't know if you can, I think you can, yeah, you're going to be able to see it. There's a mark there, a straight, and it is the mark. Where is my mark? There it is right there. So there's the mark that's cut into that top disc. And so that mark has to line up top with, all right, this is where we need to be. And there are 2 followers. There is one follower there, and there is another follower down lower here. And those are where they are because one of them is in position A and one of them is in position K, and your stitch selector lever is going to be in number 3, and that's how that is looking right now. So we take the cam stack and we take that mark on the cam stack and we line it up to either one of those followers. So that's the third condition for a proper installer removal. The first condition is, well, actually that's the second condition. The first condition is AK3. The second condition is that we line up the indicator mark on the top of the stack to one of those followers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line it up with that follower right there. Ouch, I hit my head on the lamp. And let me see, there. let me take aim again. And I need to go just beyond that first post to right there. So you can't see it in that position. There, it's lined up with that one right there. That's the indicator pin right down there. And the other indicator pin is right here. And I could, if I want, pull it up, reposition it so that the mark now is on that indicator pin there. So that is how to correctly remove and install the stitch selector cam stack on Singer 400 and 500 series machines. Hope this was helpful to you. It was for me. I really enjoyed making this little video. It's a great review for me. Anyway, thanks for subscribing. I appreciate your help. Stay safe, have fun. Adios, amigos. Hope to see you soon. And my next video is actually going to be the one before this one, episode 11, about the pressure bar. That's what I was in the middle of when I got the inquiry about the cam stack, and it was such an interesting question that I wanted to make a quick video about it. So anyway, thanks for your patience, and I'm going to get back to work doing episode 11. It's interesting because the pressure bar is going to go in, the needle bar, and the needle bar driving arm shaft or rod or whatever, plus the pressure tension dial. There's some interesting stuff on the 500s. Anyway, ciao for now. Thanks again.